Most people think you can't download movies on an iPhone without jailbreak. That's not true. In this video, I'll show you how to legally download movies on your iPhone with no jailbreak, no risky apps, and no policy violations. Everything I share today is Apple approved, legal, and completely safe, so let's start step by step. Before we begin, one important thing, you should only download movies that you own, rent, or have legal access to. This video does not support piracy or illegal downloads. First method, using official streaming apps. This is the safest and most recommended way. Open the App Store and download any official streaming app like Apple TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, or Disney+. Open the app, sign in, choose the movie you want, and tap on download. That's it. The movie is now available offline, and you can watch it anytime without internet. This method is 100% legal, requires no jailbreak, and is fully supported by Apple. Second method, downloading movies you already own using Apple TV or iTunes. If you've purchased or rented movies from Apple, open the Apple TV app, go to Library, select Purchased or Rented, and tap the download button. The movie will be saved directly on your iPhone. You can watch it offline, without ads, and in full quality. Third method, downloading movies from official websites using Safari. Some platforms legally allow downloads for offline personal use. Open Safari on your iPhone, visit a legal movie platform, log into your account, and download the movie file only if the website allows it. The file will be saved in the Files app. To watch it, open the Files app, tap the movie file, and play it using the default video player. Always make sure you're downloading from authorized websites and following their rules. Fourth method, transferring movies from your computer to your iPhone. If you already have legal movie files on your computer, connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows, drag and drop the movie file to your iPhone and sync the device. The movie will appear in your Apple TV app or Files app. This method is perfect for travel, flights, and offline viewing. Now, one very important warning. Avoid pirated websites, unknown download apps, jailbreak tools, or so-called free movie apps. These can break Apple's policies, put your Apple ID at risk, and cause serious security problems. So to summarize, you can legally download movies on your iPhone using official streaming apps, Apple TV or iTunes purchases, authorized websites, or by transferring legal files from your computer. No jailbreak, no risk, and no policy issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more safe iPhone tips, AI tech tutorials, and practical guides. And comment below to tell me which method you will use first.